for joining me. I am going to unbox my second April BoxyCharm. So this is the original box. There was a little shipping delay, but that's okay. So we're going to go through it together now. This box, it looks like it has a festival vibe. Super exciting. So let's see the brands. So we got Benefit Cosmetics, Zoeva, Iconic London, Lavish, and Battington Lashes. So those are the brands that are in the festival BoxyCharm. Let's start here. We have the Iconic London Illuminator. This is, it looks like the original color that they sent me. So it has like a nice bronze tint to it. You can see it. There. I'm excited to use that one. So again, that's the Iconic London Illuminator. Moving on, we have Benefit Cosmetics. This is the Porefessional Hydrating Primer, a hydrating face primer to minimize the look of pores. Let's see, we can open it up here. So it's a good amount, good size bottle here. A hydrating face primer. These I'm super excited about only because of how bright the colors are. So this is the Lavish. It's a 5-piece brush set. Let's see. I'm actually really excited about these. I know they're brushes, but let's see. So we have this blue one is eye shading. This green one looks like the, let's see, it's officially called the brow groomer. So you have the brush and then you have the applicator there. Purpley pink is the tapered blending. This very thin yellow one is fine liner. And then last but not least, our orange one is for a pencil. We have a little box here. It looks like I have a feeling we have lashes. We do. I love them so much. If all else fails, bat your lashes. So those are the lashes that we have. They're very long. So I'm really excited to wear those ones. They look amazing. Okay, and last but not least, we have an eyeshadow palette. Zoeva Blanc Fusion. Let's see. We have a lot of neutrals in here. This is really pretty. So this is the eyeshadow palette. Loving this one. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will include some sign-up codes if you're not a subscriber to BoxyCharm yet. Enjoy!